In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize text in Canva. If you want your design to look cleaner, more balanced, and easier to read, adjusting text size is one of the simplest and most important things you can do. Whether you're working on a social media post, a presentation, a flyer, or any other Canva project, knowing how to quickly resize text helps you make your message stand out without making the design feel crowded. Start by opening your Canva design and selecting the text you want to resize. This is important because Canva only shows text editing controls when the text element is actively selected. Once you click on the text, you should see the editing options appear in the top toolbar. Next, look for the font size box in that top toolbar. This is where you can directly control how large or small your text appears. If you already know the exact size you want, you can click into the box and type it in manually. This is useful when you want precise control or when you're trying to keep different text elements consistent across your design. If you'd rather make more gradual changes, you can use the plus and minus buttons next to the size setting. This lets you increase or decrease the text little by little, which is helpful when you're fine-tuning the look and trying to find the right visual balance. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially when you're working with headings, subheadings, or body text. You can also drag the text box handles to adjust the size and layout of the text. This doesn't just affect how big the text feels on the page, it can also change how the words wrap and how the overall text block fits within your design. If a line looks too long or the spacing feels awkward, resizing the text box can help create a cleaner arrangement without changing the wording. As you make these changes, take a moment to check that the text is still clear and easy to read. That's the most important part. A good-looking design isn't just about style, it also needs to communicate effectively. Make sure the text doesn't look too small, too oversized, or cramped within the layout. If needed, compare it with the rest of your design to make sure everything feels proportionate and visually balanced. And that's it. Once you get comfortable using the font size box, the adjustment buttons and the text box handles, resizing text in Canva becomes quick and intuitive.